Doctors won't tell you this, but cough syrup can make your infection worse. This year's flu leaves you coughing for weeks, and doctors only recommend cough medicine. Here's the problem. Cough medicine just suppresses your body's ability to expel the infection, allowing actually to go deeper into your lungs. The weird combination that actually works: vitamin A plus NAC600. This clears the infection at the source instead of masking problems. Take daily, and that nagging cough disappears in 3 to 5 days instead of 3 weeks.